So I hope you all are doing well today. I just wanted to give you an update on our tulips that we planted hundreds of, and I'll make sure that I link that video on how I did it, but they are starting to bloom very nicely. And I just absolutely love the way they're coming up. We still have the pink. These are more purple. I'll get a little bit closer, but we have the ones in the back that are going to be just a little bit taller, and they're going to be a pink. But what I'm out here to do today, y'all, because I've had it with this Gara, is I want to trim this back and see if it will come up just a little bit bushier and a little bit sturdier. So that's what I'm out here doing today. And then I just want to edge up everything and make everything look neat. And I won't put any mulch down today. I'll try to decide what I want to put in this area after the tulips are done. So you all give me some ideas of what I can put in this area after the tulips are done. We do have the Desdemona and Queen of Sweden roses that is in the back. And they're starting to put on new growth, but I definitely wanted something in here to replace them once the tulips are done. So let me put everything down and go ahead and get started with the cleanup, and then I'll show you what we are left with. And I do have to pick some weeds too. So let me show you what I am trying to accomplish by trimming up this bush here. That's what I'm calling it. They are really pretty blooms, and I did read the sizing of it, and it's so many sand gnats out here. Okay, but do you see how you have this right here and then you have the leaf on the end? Well, that I don't like. The good thing is there is new growth that is growing up, and so I have no rhyme or reason to how I'm cutting it back. I'm just cutting it back. I'm just grabbing it and I am just cutting it back, because this right here from that plant, those have got to go because now they're leaning over there. And so that's basically what I'm doing, just trying to make it look cleaned up. We do have a little bit of new growth right here, if you all can see. Oh my God, one just flew in my eye. We do have that, and then like I say, this plant definitely has put on a lot of new growth, but I just like to see what's down here on the ground. So I want to go over with you all what I kind of did here. So first, I got up as many weeds as I could, because we have a lot of perennial weeds that pop up around this time of the year. So you have to pull those by the roots to try and get control of them. But we cut back our Gara, as you can see, and I am hoping that it comes back nice and bushy and with some type of shape, because if not, they are getting the axe. I have learned in the past, if I don't love it, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up and put something that I do love. But it was really windy for a little while, but I know that I complained a whole lot about planting these tulips, because we really planted hundreds of them. But I'm telling y'all right now, if you ask me if I would do it again, I would tell you yes. And I think I would probably go ahead and bump it up some more, because they are just beautiful and well worth the effort. I went ahead and got all of the leaves from around the base of the rose bushes. These are 2 Desdemona roses and 1 Queen of Sweden, because we do have a snail problem here. with the leaves being wet and whole like they are. And then I went ahead and just lined up everything so that once I'm ready to put the mulch down, I can just put it down and don't have to worry about lining up. So I'm trying to get a head start on things. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends, and let me know if you've planted any spring bulbs and are they starting to come up. If you are not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and spring is on the way, you guys. So let me know what your plans are for spring, and until the next video, bye bye.